Gemini in Google Slides is your one-stop shop for creating stunning presentations with AI. Let's see it in action. Camille from marketing needs to build a show-stopping presentation for an upcoming Q3 review with her executive team. She'll be pulling from a variety of files in her Google Drive to go from a blank page to a complete presentation. Opening a new deck, Camille starts by telling Gemini exactly what she needs for her executive review. Instead of starting from scratch herself, she can just add a few relevant sources and let Gemini do the heavy lifting. To ensure the presentation is on brand, she asks Gemini to match the visual style of a previous deck by pulling it straight from her Google Drive. After analyzing the sources and coming up with a plan for the presentation, Gemini recommends a few extra files that could help flesh out the deck, which Camille approves and adds in. She then gives Gemini some helpful parameters for creating the presentation, such as deck length and tone. This helps ensure the output is just what her leadership team needs. Gemini then turns all those files into a clear, structured outline. With a single click, that outline transforms into a fully formatted, multi-slide presentation. The layout, colors, and typography are automatically applied based on her style reference, but Camille remains in complete control of the details. If she wants to adjust how her data looks, she can simply ask Gemini to update the graph with a simple prompt. Gemini makes the change perfectly, saving Camille from the tedious formatting chores that can slow a project down. With Gemini's help, she's ready for her Q3 marketing review. Now it's your turn. Get started today at slides.new.